Dear viewers, thank you for following us. In this video, we are going to look at the internal structure of the human eye. The human eye is a body organ responsible. The human eye is a body organ responsible for sight. Let us look at the internal structure, and majorly we shall look at the parts of the human eye. But the internal structure is what we are going to look at. The internal structure of the human eye has the following parts. It has a part known as the iris. And that is a part known as the iris. It has another part, and this part is known as the suspensory ligaments. It has a part known as the suspensory ligaments. Between the suspensory ligaments, we have a lens. So that lens is also found between the suspensory ligaments. Then we have another part, and this part is known as the ciliary muscles. The ciliary what? Muscles. So those are also parts that make up the internal structure of the human eye. Then we have got some other parts which I'm drawing here, and I'm going to name them. We have a part here known as the retina. On the retina, we have another part there known as the yellow spot. It's known as the yellow spot. Another name to mean yellow spot is fovea. Fovea. And on the retina still, we have another part here known as the blind spot. We have the blind spot. And at the blind spot, we have another part here. And this one is known as the optic nerves. The optic nerves. We are still looking at the internal structure of the human eye. We have a part here known as the sclera. From the sclera, we have another part there. This part is known as the choroid. Inside here there is a liquid. This one is known as the vitreous humor. That is another part of the internal structure of the human eye. Inside here, we have another one known as the aqueous humor. We have another part which is between the iris. This part is known as the pupil. And we have a layer here, inside here. This one is known as the cornea. And there is another part here, and this one is known as the conjunctiva. So these ones are the different parts that make up the internal structure of the human eye. The sclera, the choroid, the retina, the yellow spot, optic nerves, the blind spot, vitreous humor, ciliary muscles, suspensory ligaments which are holding the lens. We have the aqueous humor, we have the pupil, we have the cornea, we have the iris, and we have the conjunctiva. Thank you very much for following and viewing this video. In our next video, we shall be looking at the different functions of the parts of the internal structure of the human eye. God bless you as you follow us.